Keep your iPhone running at its best with the latest updates, packed with new features, improvements, and essential security patches. Before updating, check if you have sufficient free storage space on your iPhone. iOS updates can be large, and having enough space ensures a seamless installation process. To check your storage, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If you're running low on space, consider deleting unnecessary files or apps to free up storage. Ensure that your iPhone has an adequate battery level before initiating an update. If your device runs out of battery during the update process, it can lead to complications. It's recommended to have at least 50% battery charge or connect your iPhone to a power source during the update. Before updating your iPhone, it's crucial to back up your data to prevent any loss. To back up with iCloud, head to the Settings app. Tap on your name on the top and select iCloud. Choose the iCloud Backup option. Tap Backup now and ensure that the backup process is complete. Alternatively, you can connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes installed and select Backup Now in the device summary screen. Now, let's go through the steps to update your iPhone. To update your iPhone, you'll need a stable internet connection. Connect your device to a Wi-Fi network to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted update process. Avoid using cellular data for updates, as they can be large in size and consume significant amounts of data. Now, it's time to check for available software updates. To do this, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Access the General menu. Select the Software Update option. Your iPhone will check for available updates. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Enter your device's passcode. Once the update is downloaded, tap Install Now to begin the installation process. Now, tap on Install Now again. After the installation is complete, your iPhone will restart again, and you'll be greeted with the latest iOS version. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.